small serving of super cheesy, smoky macaroni. Just rinsing it off here, stop the cooking process. This is fun, easy. Everybody can do this. We've cooked it just a little bit to get the centers of the noodles kind of firm, okay? That's all you want. Hit it with a little EVO, moisten things up a little bit, add a little flavor. Now, we're going on the barbecue. So I'm gonna use an cast iron skillet. Nice cast iron skillet, okay? It's a great conductor of heat, and it'll help you cook things evenly. All right, I'm lining the bottom with some tomatoes. And then, because if we put other ingredients down there, it might start a sticking process. We don't want that. It eliminates the sticking process, so layer it with some tomatoes in the bottom. How about some onions? Put a few onions in there. Kids, you like onions? Yeah? A few do, some don't. If they don't put them in there. Idea is to have fun with this, okay? And now, how about some bacon? You like bacon?
Yeah!
They like some bacon. All right, line it with some bacon. Hit it with a nice scoop. Oh, yeah. How about some cheese right there, huh? Put some cheddar, cheese in there. Let's do it again. We're gonna layer this. Some bacon. Is that looking good? Yeah, it is. Some more cheese. A lot of fun. Have fun with it. Take some ingredients you and your kids like, get in the kitchen together, get out by the barbecue and enjoy the day. Looking good. Get it nice and cheesy. We like your macaroni cheesy, don't we? Oh. How many times we layer that? About 3 times?
3 times.
It's about what you're looking for right there. Now, one last thing. Put some summer tomatoes on top here. Doctor this up a little bit. That is ready for the grill. But first, what I've got to do, I've got to infuse this with even more flavor. Taking it up a notch right here, okay? Got our applewood smoke pouches. 2 parts wet. It's been soaking for at least a couple hours. All right, and 1 part dry. Mix it in there. That's going to act as your kindling. Just fold it over. Poke some holes into it so it can breathe a little bit and that smoke can leak out. We're ready to hit the grill. We're looking for 300 Fahrenheit, 150 Celsius. Now look, we've got no heat going on over here. We've got heat right here, and that's where our smoke pouch is going, directly over that heat element. That's starting to smoke, that's what we're looking for. Set them right here. I'm gonna close the lid, let that applewood smoke pouch just kiss that macaroni for about an hour's time. Shut the lid, come on this way, show you a little magic. Oh, that looks beautiful. Nice, crispy on the outside, ooey gooey on the inside. I say we take this off the grill and start dishing it up. What do you say? Come on, doesn't that look good? Crispy, golden brown, you know it's creamy on the inside. Let's take a peek, huh?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, yeah. That's
Have
good.
you ever seen any macaroni cheese like that in your life?